All right, so we have given you some time to draw the cash flow diagram. I think most of you have done it. I will just draw the cash flow diagram and then we will talk about what strategy would be appropriate to solve this problem. So let's first draw the cash flow diagram. Okay, so most of you have done it correctly. We have initial cost at time 0 is $750K, $750K, and then we bought it and the operation start of this robot. And again, we are assuming that the cost occurs at the end of each year, this operation and maintenance cost. So we have, and we are told that it has a 6 years of lifetime. Then we just draw this 6 years here, and we have each year, at the end of each year, we are assuming some O&M cost is there, 10K. This is 6 years. So we 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. At the 6th year, end of 6 years, we have the salvage value. The salvage value is kind of a resale value, or it can be donated somewhere with some little cost, with some little price, salvage value. So we have 40K here, and these are 10K. All right, this is our cash flow diagram. Now the question is asked that what justification will be there for annual savings of labor. The labor could be 5 laborers, it may replace 5 laborers, 6 laborers, whatever. We don't know, because it will be faster than laborers, so it will be replacing maybe 6, 10 laborers. We want to see how much it will be, what will be the owning cost of this robot. Since annual savings are asked, it is better to work on annual basis. It is better to work on annual basis, and if we can find the annual owning cost of this robot, then we can say annual savings will be justified. Annual labor saving, if the laborers are costing us more, then this robot will be justified, so economically. So let's this cost is there, this salvage value is there. If we bring the salvage value here, and cost minus salvage value is the net cost, net capital cost we can call it. This capital cost then can be spread to 6 years. We already have this annual, this will be annualized also. Then annual cost plus annual capital cost plus annual this O&M cost will be our total owning cost of robot. Okay, so let's do this. It's easy. This one is going back how many years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so we have salvage value. We can say that net capital cost, we can call it net capital cost, is equal to $750K minus salvage value. Salvage value is positive here, so we minus it. Cost, we can work with the cost as positive, minus with benefits can be given as salvage value can be given as negative here. So we have 40K divided by 1 point, what was our I think 20% was there, 1.2 raised to power 6. So when we bring it here, this one it will be discounted 6 years back at 20% discount. So we will have this cost come here. This 40K when come over here, I think this is about 13K or something, right? Then whatever the cost is coming over here, please tell me. This is 13.4. 13.4K. Huh?
This is the total.
Total?
No, will be
750 is already there.
736.6.
$736.6K. All right. This is the net capital cost. Annual capital cost. How do we annualize, please? Multiply by capital recovery factor, we will annualize it. Good. So we have 736.6K multiply with, we have the factor here, which is I into 1 plus I raised to power n over 1 plus I raised to power n minus 1. Minus 1 is down here. And we have 736.6K multiplied by 0.2 into 1.2 raised to power 6 divided by 1.2 raised to power 6 minus 1. So this will be $221, something like that. 221, 22, 22, 1.14.
Yes. No, it's 124 right from the beginning. 124.
It will be
No, it's 2 something.
221.5.
0.5. 0.41. Okay, instead of making 0.41, we will make it 410. 410. All right?
It is all in between.
Now it is without K. Clear? There may be some rounding. And we have O&M cost also. We can say the total owning cost of total annual owning cost of robot is equal to this value $221,410 plus we have $10,000 O&M cost. So we have $231,410. This means that these are the annual owning cost of labor or annual owning cost of this robot. So if the laborers are costing us more, let's say 500,000, let's say it is replacing laborer is annual, each laborer is, let's say, annual labor wage, laborer wage of one laborer is, let's say, $40,000. So if there are 6 laborers replaced, this is 40,000 multiplied by 6, so it is 240,000. In this case, it may be justified if it is replacing 6 laborers at this one. Okay, if it is replacing more than that laborers, then of course it will be justified. If it is less than that, then it won't be justified economically. Questions? Huh? Total annual owning cost of robot. Each year how much it is costing us? Bother? No? Yeah. This one? Annual labor wage of laborer, or annual wage of one laborer. Annual wage of one laborer. Okay, annual wage of one laborer is assuming 40,000, which is per year, 40,000 per year. Okay, and then 6 laborers replaced is 6 laborer cost, let's say instead of replace I can say 6 laborers will cost 240,000. If it is replacing 6 laborers, it is justified economically, not ethically, economically. All right. Any questions? Yeah.
But that's replacing just for 1 year, not for 6 years.
This is annual owning cost is per year, right? This is also per year, 40,000 for one laborer. So 6 laborers is 240,000, right?
Everything per year.
Everything is in per year. The question is asked, how much annual expenditures to justify this robot? Any questions? So shall we continue? Okay. We go to the next problem. All right, I think we can skip this one. It is already solved in the, what time it is? We can still solve it, but we just go to the next problem and then another problem, and then we can come back here, because this is already solved in your notes. So I can come back to this if we have time. So first let's move to the problem example number 10. A project has a cost of $10 million, a useful life of 30 years, annual operation and maintenance cost is equal to 2% of the capital cost, and annual benefit of $1.5 million. Find the simple payback period of the project. Find out benefit cost ratio if the discount rate is 10%. And if I may add, find the profitability index also. Find profitability index, PI. So it has 3 parts now. First is to find simple payback period. You can also do it the discounted payback period, but it will take little time because you have to discount each year. And you can find out the benefit cost ratio. You can find out profitability index. All right. I would suggest again to draw the cash flow diagram. Yeah, stop it.